In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import opening balance in Zoho Books. Before we start, a quick note on what we're doing and why it matters. Importing your opening balance sets the financial starting point for your organization in Zoho Books. It's typically the trial balance as of the day you begin using Zoho, and it ensures your accounts, bank balances, receivables, and payables all line up from day one. To make this smooth, have an as of date ready and a clean spreadsheet with your accounts and amounts prepared in advance, saved as CSV or Excel. Make sure the totals balance, your account names match your chart of accounts in Zoho Books, and that you've removed any sensitive information you don't want stored. Let's walk through it together. Open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. Sign in and select the correct organization if you manage more than one. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon. That opens your settings area, which is where Zoho keeps most of the setup tools you'll use when getting started. In settings, find and click opening balances. This section shows the current opening balances, if any, and it's the place to make updates when you're migrating or correcting a starting position. Next, click edit. Think of edit as unlocking the page so you can make changes to what's there or bring in new data. Now click Import Opening Balances. This is the option that lets you bring in all your accounts and amounts in one go rather than typing them manually. If Zoho offers a sample template on this screen, it's a good idea to download it and make sure your file follows the same column headers and formats. Consistency here helps avoid errors. When you're ready, click Choose a File. Browse to your prepared spreadsheet, confirm it's the correct and most recent version, and select it. A reliable file will list each account on its own row, include clear debit and credit columns or a single balance column as required, and use the right currency and date formats. Keep amounts positive and place them in the correct debit or credit column based on your accounting method. If you're working with multiple currencies or branches, ensure the file reflects those settings exactly as they exist in Zoho Books. That's it for the core steps. After selecting your file, Zoho Books will guide you with on-screen prompts and validations. If something doesn't pass, double-check your headers, account names, and totals. With a clean file and these steps, your opening balance import should be quick, accurate, and ready for you to start recording day-to-day transactions with confidence.